How to Cardless Withdrawal Westpac app full guide to 25. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can do cardless withdrawal in Westpac app. So for that there are convenient ways to withdraw your money smoothly and securely, like ATM withdrawals. Withdraw cash easily and free from ATM fees at any of the secure 7,000 ATMs through our ATM network across Australia. And the official website says while cardless cash withdrawal is no longer available, cardless cash deposits remain readily accessible. So you can also bank at post. You can also complete cash transaction and withdraw up to 1,000 per day through more than 3,400 Australia Post outlets, and over 500 branches nationwide are happy to help, whether you bank with Westpac, St. George Bank SA, or Bank of Melbourne. And for the digital wallets, you can add a digital version of your eligible aid credit or debit card to your eligible device, such as your mobile phone or smartwatch. So you can use your digital wallet to make credit or debit and card transaction without your physical credit or debit card. And for online banking, you can send and receive money in real time using payments, pay with pay ID, or pay someone using payees. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.